Wow, kids, look at this calculator. We use it everywhere, at school, at home. But imagine, what if you could build your own calculator using Python? How cool would that be?
Today we're going to create a very simple Python project, our very own calculator. It's perfect for class 6. A little input, some math, and lots of fun learning. By the end of this project, you'll learn how to take input, do math operations, use conditions, and handle errors. Are you ready?
What is a calculator? It's a tool that takes two numbers, performs an operation, and quickly gives you the answer. Today we're going to make one in Python.
First, let's show a welcome message. Type this: print if-elif-else simple calculator by Python add grade. Now we ask for the first number. We use float, so decimals work too. Code: num1 float input enter fumber pacey. Next, the second number. Same way, num2 and a float input.
Now get the second number.
Now show the operation menu. Print the 4 choices so the user can pick one. Ask the user to choose. Choice input. Enter your choice. If they choose 1, we add result a num1 plus num2. Use elif for the other operations: subtract, multiply, divide, and always check before dividing by 0. If the choice is wrong, show an error message. Then print the result. Error handling is very important. If someone tries to divide by 0, we show this message so the program stays safe. Let's run it. Enter 5 and 3, choose 1, watch what happens.
And if we try to divide by 0, see? The error message appears. Our Python calculator is ready.
In real life, you can use this calculator for shopping, homework, pocket money, anything with numbers.
You can upgrade it later. Add a colorful window with Tingtrenner, or include more operations like square root or power. Challenge time! Make your own calculator and add one extra feature. Share your best version in the comments! So remember, input, math operations, conditions, and error handling. You just completed an awesome project.